Hi everyone, today's lesson is on perimeter, le périmètre. And the perimeter just means the distance around an object. And we are going to be dealing with polygons. And we learned last week that a polygon is just a shape that has straight edges and it's enclosed. So that's what we will be working with. So a perimeter is the distance around an object. La distance autour d'un objet, c'est le périmètre. So we measure perimeter in different ways. We're going to start by measuring with centimeters. And you don't need your ruler at home. If we were in class, we would be using our rulers to measure different things and different worksheets, different objects in our class. If you want, you have your ruler at home, you could try to measure the distance around straight-edged objects, maybe a book or a small box, your video game case. Just the distance around the outside is the perimeter. So we're going to start with centimeters, and it's really just a lot of adding when we're dealing with perimeters. So this shape is a rectangle. So if this edge is 5 centimeters, then I know that this one is 5 centimeters too, because sometimes it won't tell me both edges. It won't tell me the length of both sides. It will just tell me that this side is 5 centimeters, but because it's a rectangle, I know that this side would have to be 5 centimeters as well. If this side is 7 centimeters, then this side is 7 centimeters as well. So then I just need to add 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7. Just because I know some tricks and some strategies for adding, I'm going to group 5 plus 5, because that's 10. And I know 7 plus 7 is 14. So 14 plus 10 is 24 centimeters. So the perimeter of this polygon, of this shape, is 24 centimeters. If we try another one, this is a square, and we know all sides of a square are the same. So if this side is 2 centimeters, then this side is 2 centimeters, and this side, and this side. So this girl counted by twos. She said 2, 4, 6, 8. It's 8 centimeters. This boy, his strategy was 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. Both of their strategies work. As long as they added up all of the sides of the shape, that is the perimeter. So if I look here, if this edge is 8 centimeters, then how long is this edge? It's a rectangle. If that side is 8 centimeters, then I know that this side is also 8 centimeters. Oh dear, that's a little messy. If this side is 2 centimeters, then I know this side is also 2 centimeters. So then I just have to add up all of the sides. And I'm going to group my nice numbers. 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. So I know that the perimeter of this rectangle is 20. And I have to say what? 20 what? It's not 20 miles. It's not 20 kilometers. It's 20 centimeters. Okay, so if you want to try, you can press pause. And this is the same object. Try to go through it in your head to see how you would figure it out. Down here, I have a square. This is 4 centimeters. And this is 4 centimeters. Now it's a square. So if this is 4 centimeters, then I know this is also 4 centimeters. And if this is 4 centimeters, I know this is 4 centimeters. Because a square, all sides are the same length. So I have to add up 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Now, I could use my multiplication here because I have 4 times 4. So I know it's 16 centimeters. any strategy I want to use. If I just want to figure out, well, 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 more is 12, plus 4 more is 16. So you can press pause and figure this one out. Now we know the answer already, but just how would you do it? Here are some other shapes, and to figure out the length of each edge, because this is centimeter paper, it's divided up into centimeters, then I know one line like this is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the distance around this shape is 12 centimeters. So you can press pause and pick 3 or 4 of these shapes and just use your finger along the edge of the screen and count. We'll do one more together. 1, and you can use this if you want, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one is also 12 centimeters. So you can pick a couple more, press pause, and pick a couple more to find out the perimeter. So the distance around the outside of the shape. Sometimes we measure in meters, so we know a meter stick is longer. So when you're measuring in meters, we know the objects are bigger, even though on my page they don't look much bigger. But you can see it's saying M for meter instead of cm for centimeter. So they have 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Press pause and see if you can figure out what that would all add up to. Okay, so if you added it correctly, it should be 14 meters. Kind of a funny way that they did it, because normally what we were just doing, that equaled 1, but here you can see 2 of these equals 1. So the scale that they have used is each one is half a meter, which is kind of a tricky way to do it. Or this one, each side is 2 meters long, so I just need to add it up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So the perimeter of that shape is 12 meters. You guys did a great job. Have a great week.